What's up, guys? I am back again. Today we're gonna rip the cap off. Don't know where it's gonna go, don't know where it's gonna sit. One of you guys could buy it, but you're gonna have to comment and say if you want it, or hit me up on Snapchat or Instagram. It is really nice though. I shouldn't say zero rust. There's rust around these areas of it, but otherwise works great. Stays up. No rust on the inside. The boxes work great. If you're in Northeast Indiana and you really want one, I might be able to cut you a deal. It's got a ladder rack on top as well. I think I'm gonna just rip it off today. What do you think about chaining it up to a tree maybe and just driving away? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I like that idea. I mean, I'm gonna unbolt it, but yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Only problem is, look at that nice bumper. I mean, other than that, I don't want it to fall and break that off. It's bolted down with a bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. And then I believe there's probably one up there, but this door is locked. And I don't know how to get in there. If I can't unbolt that, I've got a grinder. I got a Sawzall. I got what I need. Oh, and you know what I don't have? A battery in the gosh dang truck. That's what we'll do. Put that on.
It's on you, bro.
Oh, this is my video?
Yeah, this is your
video.
video.
Rolling? Yeah, I was just getting electrocuted because I was touching the positive.
Zapped.
I was getting zapped. I was touching the positive and grounding myself. That's all I was getting zapped. Come on, bro. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm just kidding.
But you have to be careful with the battery because a battery is direct current.
Can kill me?
It takes, you know how it takes milliamps. A milliamp is 1,000th of an amp. So it only takes like a few milliamps to stop your heart.
Oh! This whole time I'm like touching the positive and touching my bumper, like, ah, my leg's getting shocked.
So yes.
The other day we were talking about how mint the bed was.
Oh yeah. I was like, oh really? Poked a hole through it with my knuckle.
Straight through.
It's a wonderful truck. I'm gonna go get a 9/16 wrench and take this bed off. What are you saying, Malachi?
Yay!
You got it locked on?
No! I can't even get to it, man. Yeah! I can't get to it.
Why?
It's inside that cross member back here.
Nice bed liner in here.
Have fun.
It's right there, bro. It's not cutting very well. I ain't doing it over there. That's where my deer come out. The tip of its tongue is black. What if I'm messing with like the only poisonous snake? Well, I hope the birdies don't get you. Okay, so here's the plan.
He's gonna try to pull this tree down by hand.
I'm trying to. No, really though. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm hooking this onto the back of that giant beech tree. Hook it onto the toolbox on top and let her rip.
Just see what happens. Could break the strap, could break the truck.
Like,
You need nothing.
toolbox could be worth nothing after this. Who knows?
Or you.
Yeah.
You're good. You're good. Bro, we need to make some bets before you rip this thing off. Like, what do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, yeah. Okay, pause now. Well, not now. Wait till I finish what I'm
Go
saying.
in the comments though.
Go in the comments right now. Tell me what you think's gonna happen. Is it gonna come clean off and this ain't gonna hit nothing? Is it gonna come off sideways, crack some stuff? Go, what do you guys think's gonna happen? Comment below. Oh, and if you think this is funny, it is. Share it. Okay. Tell me if I'm at an angle or not, because if I'm at an angle, it'll rip it off bad.
It's coming off.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
You should back up and then just punch it.
Oh boy. I gotta go fast.
Yep.
Are you recording?
I'm recording, bro. You lost your bedside.
Really?
Almost, bro. It's barely on. Oh.
Oh, it just came off and it was done.
You should totally just rip the sides off and make it a flatbed with just
the bottom
main
of the
part
bed?
Of the head. Yeah.
The chuck left and the cap didn't move. Okay, well, something like that.
Just a little bit.
Something like that. I mean, the cap moved. It's on the ground now. But look at this. This is hilarious. But I think this is like the ultimate beater now. Like, so we're gonna go do burnouts now.
Is this a good idea? I don't know. He's gonna see, will it burn tires? Throttle. It burns them both, man. I don't know if that's a factory thing from Chevys for them to have a lock tip rear end, but man, his truck and his brother's truck, both these Chevys, both 98s, they both burn both tires.
That's funny. Hey guys, so that's pretty cool. Have a beater truck, does burnouts like really easy. I mean, both of them. And it's actually just a lot of fun. What can you do? If you get a truck that runs, you can have a blast. So, I don't know where we're gonna take this video next. We're gonna actually, here's what we're gonna do. Since you guys just saw what I did with the turbo, we're gonna go see if we can build some boost on that sucker. Not do burnouts.
Pick up back up on the other truck.
We're gonna pick back up on the other truck and see if it works. So,
get you back in the garage, man.
So we're about to test it out. I put the RTV gasket on. We're gonna go see if it can build boost and not leak oil. Okay, so here we are, we're on the road now. We're gonna see if it can build boost without leaking oil. We're about 32 pounds right there. Not too bad, really. Because on this HX35, it spools so much faster that the RPMs aren't really high before that even happens. So it's just a little different than the one I had before because it spooled so slow, the RPMs got really high. Definitely tell a difference. It's because I plugged the wastegate and because there's now a gasket on that, but hopefully that gasket did a good job. Okay, we're at 40. Punch it. It picks up speed pretty good, I don't know. All that's left to do is check if the oil is leaking or not and then close out the bid. Not a single drop. You guys just saw. All right, let me turn this lens around so I can see where I'm pointing y'all. Down there is where I put the gasket on. That's where it was leaking from, that red stuff. And now there's not a single leak, so we're good. We're golden, we're great, it's awesome. Today has been a lot of fun. It might have ended up being a longer vid than I thought. It might have been a shorter vid than I thought, but I know you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new to the channel, you gotta subscribe. We're gonna do a lot more fun stuff, especially with that beater GMC. So I'm super excited. Like the video, share the video. I love doing this kind of stuff for you guys. I love your guys' support, and I would love more video content ideas. Give me what you got. I'm super excited to see where all this goes. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, like, share, comment. If you're new, like, share, comment. And if you like comments, then you need to subscribe. See ya.